How you guys doing? This is Derek with Woodworking. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your Festool. This specific one is the CT36 Auto Clean. Auto Clean is only on the 36 and 48s, I believe. And that just means that you can use it with the drywall sander. There's an arm that flicks the filter every so often, making it so that it keeps it clean when you're doing drywall. But regardless, this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Festool Bluetooth. Now, some of the newer ones are coming with Bluetooth. The MIDI one, or MIDI, whatever it's called, actually has Bluetooth equipped. Later I'll show you why. Later in the video I'll show you why. But for the sake of this, this is the specific part you can order. Now it comes with both the part that you install on your Festool and also the little switch. Now that you attach to the hose, and we'll get to that part. So first thing, make sure it's unplugged, and yeah, let's get right to it. Now this right here is where that part is going to go. So I already loosened these. Can pull those. You can get a handle on it. Pull those out. That'll come off. Definitely need the bolts again. Now take this. It has these 4 little pins on the back here, and actually you can see in there's an area where those 4 pins are going to attach to. So make sure it's right side up, obviously. Should just slide right in there. It's as easy as that. And then tighten the bolts back down. Alright, just got it plugged in. Now we're gonna test it out. It actually tells you the directions right here, what to do. It is already on auto. Now you turn this on, you'll see the blue ring go on. Then when you hit this button, it'll turn on. And again, turn off. Now I don't believe this ring goes away. I believe you have to turn it on and off each time, or else that'll just keep spinning and overnight or whatnot. So let's mount this, and we'll do that. So the kit actually comes with this very large booklet, I believe, of instructions or something. There is, maybe it's just like every language possible. But it comes with 2 different size bands here. And I believe this is going to be to connect it to the larger hose as well. The 36 and the 48 probably does too. Comes with the thicker hose. So to use the small sanders, this is the anti-static hose. So you need the smaller one. What we're going to do is we're going to attach this rubber thing to it. I accidentally hit the switch, but we know that it works good. All right. There we go. All right, now it is attached. Actually, wait a minute. I wonder if that turns it on and off. Okay, wow. All right. I actually didn't know that until right now. So you don't actually have to turn it on here at the unit. If you hit this, that turns it on, and you can turn it off. That's actually really nice. So one of the reasons I really wanted this part is I've been using this with multiple other power tools that aren't even Festool. So I have the Milwaukee track saw. I also have the Milwaukee, what do you call it? The joiner, I guess you'd call it. And this actually fits on them both. I believe it fits inside of the track saw. But I've used it in multiple different, inside somebody's house. especially the joiner. Typically, I'll make my cabinet so that it fits perfect or a little bit big. And what I'll do is where it goes up against the wall, I will run it and maybe take off a 16th or like 1 pass, 2 pass, 3 passes to get it to fit perfectly. And so that's what I use that for, and it makes a ton of dust. Hooking it up to this actually makes it almost no dust at all. And that's the reason it's, I mean, could I go to the tool and turn it on and then use it? Yes, like that's what I've been doing anyways, but I don't know. I think this was just a really cool attachment. Honestly, compared to other Festool things, this isn't all that much of an addition. I believe it is, you know, I think I bought mine on Amazon. It was like $88. Well, I did buy it on Amazon. It was $88, but I've seen it around between $88 and $100. I want to say somewhere I saw for $95, which is more than Amazon has it. So, but they might have just been doing some sort of promotion or whatnot. But overall, I really like it. I think it adds a cool feature. The like I said before, the MIDI one, I believe it is, comes with the Bluetooth already on it, but it does not come with the controller. That's something you have to add to that, and that is the MIDI one. We actually just got one in here. I can bring it out and show you guys while I do that. This here is the CT MIDI 1. This is new. We just picked this up, I want to say like, it was like a couple weeks ago. Just started using it. So far, it is really nice. It has a similar suction to the 36, actually. It obviously does not have the auto clean feature, and it does not have the size. It's probably half the size. I believe this is a 3-gallon, where the 36 is a 6-gallon or 6.6 gallon, something like that. So yeah, when you turn it on, it does have the Bluetooth feature here. Bluetooth is on. I actually wonder if the remote would just work with that. It turned that one on. Actually, it's not even... The blue light wasn't even on and it turned on. When I hit the button, this one actually blinked. It probably is some sort of thing where I could probably program this to that. It's probably something with like holding the buttons down. This could probably be programmed to this one if I wanted it to as well. Don't quote me on that. I don't super know. I just got this Bluetooth feature. It was like a week and a half ago. I did already have it installed. I took it off so I could show you guys how to put it on, which, I mean, that was pretty straightforward when it comes to doing stuff like that. So yeah, let me know if you guys have these, if you guys like them, and what you guys use them for. What's nice is some of the battery-powered tools, I guess you would need them for, because they don't actually plug into the unit, which triggers the unit turning on. But what non-Festool items do you guys use with these?